Now this figure 19-25A deals with the disconnecting means of a cordon plug connected air conditioner in accordance with NEC 440.63. Now, the NEC loop gives you overcurrent protection devices and the readily accessible requirement for such in 240.24a. Overcurrent protection height 404.8a. Overcurrent protection devices heights with exceptions, like where the overcurrent protection device could be on a bus duct or over 6 foot 6 height, maybe for a motor, disconnecting right by the motor, overhead garage door, things like that. 404.8a exception 2, as well as 240.24a4. Now, our air conditioner is provided with a soft start, so it will not trip due to inrush currents that are not short circuit, ground faults, or overloads naturally. And we've talked about that in previously illustrations if you care to review those. But all this is saying is the controls in this illustration can't be over 6 foot from the finished grade. And then the attachment cap along with the receptacle could be used as a disconnecting means in accordance with 440.63, and that's what this figure 19-25A is illustrating.